College buni fibro ka jimtip namta ka result ki bapmi po ka MPSC Meghalaya Public Service Commission tementa kasni khanyo trik Januari arjapsan ki lapan mi ka result jongka MCS Meghalaya Civil Service Junior Grade Part B mains tegini ga deki clear mo gladap ma successful. The name of the successful candidate recommended by the commission in order of merit are as follow. Kini kantang juga candidate ki bla successful clear. Chingba Jimbe H Marak on reserve. Rene Darby Elsun on reserve, Kentu Shulai on reserve, Osama P. Lingdo on reserve, Lede E. Miki Poshna on reserve, Solomon Jedi Dea Sim Khasijantia, Sevi Moto Khasijantia, Mishua Kupar Moto Khasijantia, Benjamin David Daryang Khasijantia, Nida Kerkur Khar Khasijantia, Korbar Singh Walang Kharbuli Khasijantia, Sanjay Dishira Garu, Dr. Ronald Gary Dunai Khasijantia, Meai Kerpang Wankar Khasijantia, Fillerbon Marwen Khasijantia, Amado Chiram Armarak Garu, Koslistun Kasar Khasijantia, Rime Yakiwar Khasijantia, Pan Manlang War Lendem Khasijantia, Abigail Vidataryang Khasijantia, Seraphin Kharshandi Khasijantia, Shannon Ensangwa Garu, Isaac Newton Emomin, Pinshai Ji Mumin, Esther Ngulin Moy Marak, Neria Dishira, Alan Sabat Sal P Marak, Akash Armarak, Asis Coach, Lisana Balsim Armarak, Kaveri Rabha, Yureka Dishira, Emilia CH Mumin, Eleanor Mikimchi E Sangma, but Chesian Norombi and Sangma. Kebaro kiba long successful don live pusan ngode te congratulations namta kini kiba long successful hakaneka MCS. Thank you jumtip kulish bun.